Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by powering the phone and getting signed into your Microsoft account because that syncs contacts, apps, and settings. Once powered, connect to Wi-Fi so updates don't use cellular data. Then insert the SIM and micro SD if you have them. Make a secure PIN or enable fingerprint/face unlock now to protect data. As you complete these items, set your language, region, and time so apps display correctly and authentication methods work reliably across services. Next, customize the home experience so you can access essentials quickly. Pin the apps you use daily to start and remove ones you don't need to reduce clutter. That improves launch speed. Open settings to configure notifications, background app permissions, and battery saver so performance and battery life balance. Then visit the store to download desired apps and organize them into folders or groups for faster navigation. Doing this makes your workflow efficient and reduces interruptions while you use the phone. Finish by verifying core functions. Make a test call, send an SMS, and load a web page to confirm mobile data. Then connect to Wi-Fi and pair Bluetooth accessories. Once done, enable automatic backup for settings and photos to OneDrive so you can restore easily. Install any remaining updates and restart the phone to apply them. If something goes wrong, perform a soft reset first. It often clears glitches without data loss, and only consider a factory reset after backing up important data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.